Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda Civic sunroof. First, find the sunroof control switch, usually located on the overhead console near your rearview mirror. To fully open the sunroof, simply push the switch backward and hold it. The sunroof will slide all the way back, giving you that open-air feeling. It's a straightforward process for a quick breeze. If you prefer just a little airflow without fully opening the sunroof, you can vent it. To do this, push the sunroof switch upward. The front edge of the sunroof will tilt up, creating a small gap. This is perfect for releasing hot air or getting some fresh air while minimizing wind noise. It's a great option for light ventilation. When you're ready to close the sunroof, it's just as easy. Simply push the sunroof switch forward. Make sure to hold the switch until the sunroof is completely closed and sealed. This ensures no gaps remain, keeping out weather and noise. Always confirm it's fully shut before leaving your vehicle or in inclement weather. For safety, always check that no one's head or hands are in the sunroof's path before operating it. Also, to keep your sunroof working smoothly, regularly clean the seals and tracks. This prevents debris from accumulating, which can cause issues over time. A little maintenance goes a long way in ensuring your sunroof operates perfectly for years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.